The sheet bend is a method of tying ropes of either the same diameter or unequal diameter together. In the case of what we have here, this is actually the double sheet bend. This is going to be a variant that I'm going to show you. So this one, the black rope is 1/2 inch. This one is 3/8. You always want to make sure that your smaller diameter rope is the one that makes the wraps. So let me show you the sheet bend first, and then we'll do the double, and I'll show you one other variant as well. To form the sheet bend, what you want to do is you want to start with your larger diameter rope, and you want to form a bite into that rope. Then you're going to take your smaller diameter, you're going to lift up on your bite, and you're going to come up through the bottom of that bite. Give yourself enough lead line, and then you're going to wrap around, and then you're going to lift this line, the same line. You're going to pick it up, tuck it right underneath there. You're working in right through there, and that is going to form your sheet bend, and that provides a pretty secure knot. Now, a variation of that is the double sheet bend. For that, you'll just need to pull a little extra line because we have to make an extra wrap. Again, you're going to go up through, you're going to go around, lift, and it's going to go under. Only this time we're going to go a second wrap. We'll tuck that in, snug the knot up, dress the knot, and that is the double sheet bend. Now you can also make the sheet bend in a slip form, and I'm going to show you that one as well. So to form the slip sheet bend, what you want to do is you'll start again with your loop, come up through, go around. You've got to give yourself just a little bit more line here. So instead of lifting and just putting the end of the rope through now, what you want to do is you want to send a bite through instead. So you just form a bite in that line, and then you can pull them all together, dress them up, and that forms the slip sheet bend. So now whenever you want to take this apart, you have a quick release pull here. So you can just pull this one and the whole thing comes apart. So it makes it a little bit more advantageous.